Hello, my name is Kevin. I'm with Advanced Window Fashions, and today we're going to be showing how to repair a Duette Light Rise. There you can see me talking to our clients. They're claiming that there is a cord that has popped inside this shade, so we're going to take it apart and see what's going on inside. You can see me taking the end caps off the shade, and we're going to slide back this head rail so we can gain access to the motor and transmission to see what's going on inside there. Here you can see the head rail's giving us a little bit of fight to come off, but it is sliding down just like it's supposed to. So we're going to move this back so we can gain access to the black motor mechanism and the green transmission that's spooled up inside there. And apparently the motor mechanism is not unspun itself, so we're going to put a lock pin in there just to make sure everything stays still just like it's supposed to and holds its tension. So we're going to also set the pin here in the transmission to make sure nothing shifts or moves. And then that we've got everything stay exactly where we need to. Sometimes the gearing doesn't like to move quite where it's supposed to for the pin to set in place. Then we're going to move from there. Here we've got the spool that we're going to pop out of here, and it looks like the string's still actually attached, so we're going to see what's going on. And it looks like that it is actually just misspooled and the string is spooled up inside of itself. So we're going to take that out, set the spool back inside the carriage here, and then we'll get everything lined back up. Here we'll put the drive shaft back through there, and then we'll lift everything to get all the strings aligned, and then we'll reattach the motor and transmission. Take our stop pin back out, and we'll have the tension go back on the spools and everything spooled back up correctly. Get our end caps back on just after our head rail. And then you want to make sure that you get your honeycomb out of the way. You don't want too many of the folds to get underneath that head rail or those end caps. And then you can give it a quick test. Everything opens just like it's supposed to, closes back up, and good to go. Thank y'all. We hope to give y'all some more information and tutorials on later videos.